Here we want to solve this equation, which is 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of 2 minus x equal to 26. Now, from the rule of exponent, we know that a to the power of b minus c is equal to a to the power of b over divided by a to the power of c. So we rewrite this term 5 to the power of 2 minus x accordingly. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of 2 over 5 to the power of x equal to 26. Now, to solve this kind of equation, we use substitution. So we assume that u is equal to 5 to the power of x. So here we have u plus 25 over u equal to 26. And then, because u is not 0 from this equation here, we find that u is not 0. We multiply both sides of this equation by u. So we have u squared plus 25 equal to 26u. And we rewrite this as u squared minus 26u plus 25 is equal to 0. So here we converted our first equation into a quadratic equation. And we can solve this by quadratic formula, or we can solve it by guessing. So here we have u minus 25 times u minus 1 equal to 0. In other words, we are looking for two numbers. When you multiply them, is 25, that's minus 25 and minus 1. And when you add them is minus 26. And those two numbers are minus 25 and minus 1. So from this equation, we find that u is equal to 25, or u is equal to 1. So from u equal to 25, we find that 5 to the power of x, here we have the relationship, 5 to the power of x is equal to 25. Or we can write 25 as 5 to the power of 2. And from this relationship, we find that x is equal to 2. So that is one roots of this equation. For u equal to 1, we find 5 to the power of x is equal to 1. And any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So For 1, we write 5 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 0. And from here we find that x is equal to 0. So the solution to this equation is given by x equal to 2 and x equal to 0.